I'm back with another makeup video. Today we're going to be trying out dark feminine makeup. I feel like I give off more like light feminine, so I thought I'd try a dark feminine makeup. So let's just get right into it. Okay, first I'm going to start with some foundation. Bronzer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. It's so hot here. Concealer. Setting powder. Okay, I look so pale, but I'm just gonna blend. Alright, trust the process. I'm gonna add some more bronzer. Okay, next we're gonna do some eye makeup. I'm gonna use this shade. Eyeliner. Lip liner. Lip gloss, trust the process. Highlight. I'm gonna add some more concealer. Blush, I'm gonna add some more blush. Mascara. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. It honestly looks like all the other looks I've done. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. We're kind of close to 900 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, it's like super hot in here. Like the makeup is kind of, messing up. But anyways, thank you for watching and keep it for more.